True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid, guys. I'm traveling in the St. James area. So this is what Long Hill look like after Hurricane Melissa affected Jamaica, guys. I'm traveling in the St. James area, November the 14th. Yeah, man. I will see what Long Hill look like traveling in this area. Remember back in the days when I traveled along hill, you couldn't see no house up on the hill back them days then. No house on the hill. But now you can see everything on Long Hill where you talk about. Everything. Most of the trees them blow down, but the good part about it, get some road damage. I think it would be worse than this, because how they make it sound on the news that Long Hill break off, so nobody cannot go to the airport. But this is what you will see. Some people are going to hear things, and Fire Reid take the chance to take you to that location, show you what go on. See right here, I have a little bad spot in the road. Yes, so you have to be careful. But you know you have down power lines and trees on the two sides of the road, so this is what it look like. You see, come like a grammar zone just burn off the place. Yeah, this is what it look like. First time I come along Hill, you have a lot of shady trees and stuff, but you don't really feel a shady tree there again. A bare sonnet. You see on the right side that ditch over there, if you're driving along hill and you're scared of ditch deep heights, you would say something about Long Hill area, guys. It's not nothing normal to look over there. So indicate where you're watching from. This is your tour guide Fire Reid. Remember, if you learned something about Jamaica, please click the like button, share and subscribe, guys. If you want to get new content, you have to subscribe. You have to subscribe to the channel. Clean up the place, bossy. Manners and respect to the hard-working people them who building back Jamaica. You can see back our beautiful island again. Look at Long Hill, all of them bamboo tree there. All of them down, guys. Nothing normal in Jamaica. I'm just taking the time out, showing my beautiful people what's going on. You have to tell me, say no. The people them know what take place upon Long Hill. And look at the speed the people them a drive. Tell me now, my people, What we think about them people there? Senseless people, them, you know, man. We know the aftermath. We know where Hurricane Melissa, how it affects some areas. And the people them a drive like say they're mad, crazy. I don't understand the part of it. Take no time and just go to no location, no, man. Look how much big trees up on the road, big trees up on the road, and still a drive fast. Man, go through my boss. On the road now, so no, take your hand. No care in the world. If you can't drive a Jamaica now with them mad driver here, you know, man. But I will stay off a road now because them a drive and a swing out a whole lot of speed. So guys, we're now in Anchovy. Yeah, we're in the Anchovy area. So guys, thanks for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.